back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So we have a brand new subscription and I am super excited, and we will dive into this in just a moment. But first, I do want to take a moment and say thank you so much for being here. I do hope that you will leave a comment telling me what you think of the video and how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Also, if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. We have such a good time on our channel. We do tons of unboxings and giveaways and live streams, which are always a blast. So definitely go ahead and hit that button and join our YouTube family. And yeah, so we have a new box, and it is for pups. So Oscar and Otis are going to be very happy. It is Box by KNOX, and this is actually a brand new subscription. So not only is it new to us, but it's just new in general. So that is super awesome. And I can't wait to open this and see what Oscar and Otis are going to be enjoying. It is $39 a month, or starts at $39 a month. Now you can go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, 12 months, and it can make your monthly rate cheaper, I believe down to as low as $29 a month. But it is supposed to include toys and treats. You do fill out a survey, you tell them your dog's name, their size, things like that, and yeah, so let's get in here and see exactly what Box by KNOX is all about. It does look like my mailman or someone in transit was a little rough on the box, but things happen. So let's get our box cutter. So when you open it, it says, surprise your best friend at Box by KNOX. Alright, so this is what I see when I open it. So I can already see a couple toys. Let's see, do we have a card? Okay, so there's no card. Let's take a look and see exactly what we got. I do want to say thank you very much to Box KNOX for sending this to me. They did send it to me to review and share with you guys. So thank you, Box by KNOX. You'll appreciate that. Oscar and Otis are going to be very happy. All right, so the first item here looks like it is a toy, but it looks like a trophy maybe. And then it says number 1 BFF. And I'm liking how this feels. This feels, Oscar can be rough on toys, and this feels durable. So he's gonna get a little trophy. Otis really doesn't play with toys. He'll be more interested in the treats. But Oscar will be excited for a new toy. So we have that. And then it looks like we do have another one. And this is so cute. It says, it's a heart forever. And again, it's the same durable material. It does not feel like this is going to be something that he can like tear apart in a day and get all the stuffing out of. So I can definitely appreciate that. And it does have the Box by KNOX tag. So this obviously is an exclusive toy to them. So I think that is so cute. Forever. So 2 toys, off to a fantastic start. And then we have, I think this might be like a bandana. Oh, and that is really nice. Like right here, you can see KNOX dog wear. That is really nice. And it is a bandana. So you can see there. So I could probably get Otis to wear this. I don't know so much about Oscar. He's a little funny sometimes, but maybe. How cute would he look with his little bandana? That is so cute. All right, so then it looks like we have 2 bags of treats, which they both will love. And they are by the same brand, Primal Treats. So the first one, quality made in the USA. This is freeze-dried pork liver munchies. Pork raised in the USA without antibiotics or added hormones, which is great. Primal Pure. Thoughtfully sourced, meaty, and delicious. Now I'm actually seeing a dog and what looks like a cat on here. So I'm wondering if this could be for dogs or cats. Obviously it's for dogs, but it says crunchy and irresistible, single source protein, treats for cats and for dogs and cats. High protein snack, grain and gluten free, no preservatives, no added salt, no added sugar. That is awesome. And the best by date is October of 2020. So we have plenty of time. They won't last that long, but we have plenty of time. So that's great. So we have some pork liver munchies. I would not be interested in this, but they will probably enjoy them greatly. And then again, it's the same brand, Primal Treats, quality made in the USA. This is freeze-dried beef liver munchies. And again, antibiotic-free beef raised in the USA without added hormones. And when I'm looking at it, like this one is what caught my attention. But it literally is like one ingredient. Ingredients, beef liver, ingredients, pork liver. Like that's it. There's nothing else. That is awesome. So they don't have any other stuff in here. Which is really awesome. It's made in San Francisco. Primalpetfoods.com is where you can find these treats. And these are good till November of 2020. It says committed to elevating the health of your dog. So I think these treats are awesome. So we have the beef liver and the pork liver. So we have 2 different flavor snacks. And then we had the cute little bandana that is actually big enough that I could put it on either Oscar or Otis. And then we have the Forever dog toy, which again feels super durable. And the little BFF #1 trophy toy. Again, super durable. Like I really don't think Oscar is going to tear into this, which is great. And I'll be honest, neither of these have a squeaker. And for me, I like that because Oscar loves to squeak on his toys, which he has a ton of, and he will do plenty of squeaking. But I'm happy to have some new toys that don't squeak, because sometimes his squeaking gets a bit excessive and a bit like nails on a chalkboard. So yay for the 2 toys. Like I said, Oscar will definitely be the one taking these. Otis just really does not have any desire for toys. He'd rather sleep. If you've watched any of my lives, you know that. So, but yes, we have the 2 toys, the bandana, the 2 different treats. So they are both set. Again, this was Box by KNOX. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, it does start at $39 a month, and you can again save if you go ahead and prepay for, like I said, 3, 6, or 12 months. I believe the lowest goes down, like I said, to $29 a month. So that's really not bad for toys, treats. And I believe they do always include some type of handkerchief or a collar or something like that, some type of clothing. So that is awesome. So let me know what you guys think of this subscription. I think it was really great. And again, thank you, Box by KNOX, for sending this to me to review. My pups are going to be very happy in just a few moments. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.